inside the dream. And please watch your kids. ¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. As we leave Toy Town Depot, it'll feel like we're in the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imaginative. Here you'll find rocket ships and starships, submarines and astroblasters, and if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system for the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. The monorail and us are the fun-filled roadways of the automotive. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop.
We're now arriving at Tomorrowland Station, which remains seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. The station serves attractions like Autopia, Space Mountain, Buzz Lightyear Astro Blaster, the Astro Orbiter, Star Tours The Adventure Continues, and the Finding Nemo submarine. Once again, please stay seated until we come to a full stop.